face reveal. Subscribe na lang kayo dyan kung gusto niyo pa. Kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe, subscribe na lang. Subscribe na lang. Subscribe na lang kasi update naman to murder mystery, guys. Ang ganda na yung update dito. Laruin nyo na kaya ata. MM2 lang i-search nyo. English allowed. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm really vlogging with these MM2 players. There's a kid player. I don't know. Okay. This is there's kids or daughter. Camper. Now you go. Yeesh. I'm on the bank. On. Bukas. Ayo, bukas. Yan na, magbubukas na. Dali. Yun, panalo. Yes, this is a hero. With our bacon, and we have sword and guns. This is free bacon. If I want a bacon, I like bacon. I don't like cylinder because a bacon it's too much friends. I like in CS. Let's eat ball, not eggs. Double getting now. There's a spawning a legendary small. You need too many to get seats. Ang bolas 17 ang bolas. We need some key. Let's speed to read this. Gotcha. Sheriff Sheriff, tabang. David, get that. Joke. Having anything is right, nothing. Oh no, we can't. I'm not murder. I'm sheriff, guys. Oh, di cow. Oh. Need so many coins. The bowler is like getting shit. Shit. Where are we going? Soyong! Get the gun! So I'm not pro player share. Low on PC. Guys, more. Need to fly. Every butterflies. Mill base. Okay, mill base. Sa labas ako. Tingnan natin yung pintuan doon. Hindi pasok. Yeah. Okay, close the door. Let him go outside. Let's play the strongest battleground. I'm lost, guys. This the hero Brian 9. He just played the strongest battleground. You need join group to get this. Go into the floor and you see John. You see John, and you get this. You see of this big gate. And dual, we need hold the dual to fight him, guys. If you want 1v1. Whoa. He's cheating! No! I got some charges. Fast charge. You see up there the charging. You need to go into the server. Mango. I'll go. We need to combat this wake this dummy. Wake this dummy. Where are you? Hello.